Dave Gardy here at ATIA 2020 in Orlando. We're at the booth of Patriot Vision Industries with John Palmer, who's CEO. John, thanks for joining us.
Hi Dave, how are you?
You got a really visually exciting booth here. Give us some perspective of some of the products and what's going on in the backdrop and everything.
Well, this year, ATIA 2020, we introduced our new booth, and the booth really tells a story. So Dave, the story is what we have done in the industry at Patriot Vision Industries in our technology. For example, the booth color of the cabinets, it's white on black. Some people will say black on white, and that's very important for contrast for our clients who are visually impaired, legally blind. Contrast sensitivity. So the booth itself is, including the chairs I may add, are in a very high contrast color. Then we have the tree of light. The tree of light, basically the colors are enhanced because we have technology that we actually linear enhance colors and make it brighter so that our clients can appreciate the color better. And that's used in our technology as well. Another thing, if you'll take a notice at the strip light that we put on here on the top of the counter, well, that strip light signifies edge mode, which we call silhouette edge mode. It's in our technology where we outline the edges so that a client, for instance, with an eye disease like retinitis pigmentosa can see the doorway, see the stairs, and safely navigate and more clearly get around in their environment because of edge mode, which is placed in our Patriot products. The cylinders, which are sometimes can refer to as rods, it looks like an aquarium, I know, and the bubbles that are going through it represent the anatomy of the eye, because the eye has rods and cones, which once again, talk about that contrast, very important, and the bubbles represent the feeding of the cells behind your retina, because that's always an eye disease. It's discussed with the retina doctor. So excited about not just the booth, but the technology and how the booth tells the story, and the story of the technology. Yeah, the eyelash carpet. It's like the cousin of the shag carpet, where basically it's another part of your facial, your eyes. So it all sort of ties into that story. And the technology, well, we have an array of technology, which I want to mention, we don't ever have just followed. We lead the way. So we have an iOS certified, Apple certified video magnifying reading machine called the Patriot Pro. The Patriot Pro, now think about this. We are all familiar with the iPad. So this is the iPad, in a sense, made greater than just the iPad because it's the heart of the system. We custom designed the folding stand, which allows portability and mobility. And using the iPad hardware in our product, we created the software that's centric to this Patriot Pro. And the software does what the big machines do. And I say the big machines because over the years, technology has been like, oh, look at me, I have a piece of technology. And now in school, think about students and the youth, they are like, oh, this fits in. This is what everyone has, So with this one product, it creates a magnification, colors. We could tap on there for the colors. And it does the text-to-speech reading. And then all applications that are available on the Apple Store are available on obviously on the Patriot Pro. Oh, wow. So I think VR was created for us in the sense that we now use the VR technology in our Patriot Viewpoint. So our Patriot Viewpoint is by far like our flagship product. It's been the most popular product in the world. It's sold throughout the world through our dealers. And how it works is when you wear it, your vision loss becomes a non-issue. Now that's a profound statement that comes from some of the retina doctors that I've been helping their patients, and their patients will tell us. So what I mean by that is that central vision loss, that's usually common with macular degeneration, which is another eye disease, or glaucoma, it becomes a non-issue because when wearing it, the technology that's built into our Patriot Pro and our Patriot VRM is built into here, the Patriot Viewpoint. So imagine live entertainment, venues like concerts, movies, theater, watching TV, reading in your lap, appreciating your grandchild that's playing soccer, or using this in school to watch a play. All that can be done. And what's new that we've added is the edge mode, as we mentioned, like that bar that goes across there. We've also added wider range of magnification to benefit those with retinitis pigmentosa. So they actually want less magnification but the condensed screen. And we're able to put all that on the usable portion of their retina and use it. It increases their field of view and benefits their life.
Okay, now down the line are some challenges for people in your audience base. Give us an overview of some of the products you're working on for the future to meet future challenges.
Okay, so we have the prototype right here, the Patriot Voice EZ. So the Patriot Voice EZ is a standalone appliance, much like your toaster, your blender in your home and your kitchen. And what you do is you place your mail on the platform. So someone totally blind, without any vision, can independently and joyfully read their Bible, read their mail, read their newsletters. They could just simply place their mail on here. The machine does the reading out loud. So it uses the text-to-speech, but in a more simplified format. Notice the oversized analog dials. These are good, trusted technology that's simple to use. You turn it clockwise, it gets faster, it gets slower. You could also spell the word, and you could pause and play. So the process is simple. Place your document, listen to it, enjoy it, throw it away or shred it. That's it.
Excellent. Great presentation this year. Now, if people want to find out more about Patriot Vision Industries, where should they go on the web?
Oh yeah, by far, you're always welcome to go on the web at patriotvisionindustries.com. You'll see videos of testimonials as well, and videos of our equipment. And you can also call us at 1-800-364-1608.
Excellent. Thank you, John Palmer, CEO of a company called Patriot Vision Industries here from ATIA 2020. Thanks for joining us.